Today we're going to be looking at the new alley wrap nosing from Stairrods UK. This award-winning product is part of the new alley range from Stairrods. It's available in all four colours. The product I'm going to be installing in this video is the flush fit nosing, but there's also an overlap nosing for any areas that may require an expansion gap. With a 1mm recess, this product has been designed to work with any or most rigid core products with a peelable surface such as your SPC and your WPC floor coverings. First thing we need to do is measure the nose of the step. I'll be using an adjustable straight edge just to get that measurement, and I can use this measurement for transferring to the tile afterwards. Once we've got the measurement from the nosing, we'll just transfer that down to the trim itself. We'll keep hold of the adjustable straight edge because we'll use that for the length of the inlay later on. Now I'm going to cut this one using a hacksaw and a mitre block, but if you're doing a full staircase it'd be advisable to get a chop saw. Once we've cut the nose in, we want to apply the sticker flex adhesive just behind the support leg. Just a few spots of adhesive along, making sure there's enough on there to obtain a good grab on the step. The screws are your primary fixing. This really is just a backup. Once we've got the nosing cut, we just want to place it onto the step with a rolling motion, pushing it backwards just to eliminate any squeeze out of the adhesive. Once the nosing's in position, we want to make sure it's square on the step, and then taking the SPAXM screws supplied, we can now get the first fixing in the middle. Make sure your torque settings are correct. Too much power will actually pull the screw through the actual nosing. And working on either end, as it's aluminium, it could actually twist, so securing these 3 points first will ensure it's as straight as it can be. Once we've got the nosing fixed onto the step, we just need to make our paper template for cutting the inlay down. I'm just using a bit of paper felt, but any thin material will do the job. Just double check that, make sure I'm happy with it. There's no fullness in the template, and we can move down to the actual plank itself now. Once the nosing's been installed, I'm just going to measure the length required. I'm going to give it about 1 inch oversized, just in case we get any damage on the edge once we start peeling the top end back. I'll slightly score that. Once we've got our length mark, we'll just use our paper template we've just made to mark up the width required. Again, you can use this paper template for every wrap nosing that you're installing on a staircase. Just going to take my rail, place that in position, just just score through the surface. You only need to score through your wear layer and your decorative layer. Start the peeling off, just need to ease up a corner. This is where the damage can sometimes occur when you're just starting off. But remember, you've got the extra allowance in the length. So just ease it up until your score mark. Just get it started. And then just peel off your layer. Once I've peeled off the surface, what I'll generally do is just relieve the material just by giving it a back roll. All depends on the actual material you're using. Once you've done that, just take your inlay, line up your adjustable straight edge, which hasn't changed from the nosing measurement. Mark that up. And then cut off your excess. Remove the topping from your contact tape. Then feed the inlay into the bottom channel. The bottom layer of tape will actually give it a bit of security once it's in there. And with this one, we don't actually need to apply any heat. It's quite a flexible product. I'm just going to feed it in with my fingers, making sure it's getting a hold on the tape as I go. Working from the middle. Just on the ends, if it's difficult to get in, you can just help it through, then work the other way. Give it a bit of pressure. Once that's in position, that's going nowhere.